Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be exploring some of the new MagSafe accessories that are available to Apple's iPhone 12 series. Official accessories can be considered rather pricey, though the high price usually matches the high quality of the product. Today I'll be taking a close look at the new MagSafe charger, MagSafe silicone cover and the MagSafe clear case. First up today we have the MagSafe charger. Apple introduced this form of charging along with the iPhone 12 series. MagSafe is revolutionary. It allows for your iPhone to charge up to an astonishing 15 watts, which is much quicker than traditional wireless chargers that usually hold the capacity of up to 7.5 watts. Therefore, this charger will reduce the time you spend waiting around for your phone to charge. The construction of the charger resembles a larger Apple Watch charger. It is formed of an aluminium back, then the front middle section supports a plastic grip. This is the part that comes in contact with the phone when charging. The area is highlighted on the charger to indicate where you should place your device in order to receive fast charging. The soft texture of the pad is also enforced to ensure the visuals of your phone aren't affected when charging from the pad. When purchasing the MagSafe charger, you will also need to buy a Type-C plug if you don't already own one, as one doesn't come within the box, which isn't ideal after having paid for the charger, for it to not then work without having to make another purchase. The cable is 1 metre long, which is quite small, but ideal if you are charging your handset at your desk, as you won't be swamped in cable. Though to have the charger sit comfortably on a surface, such as your bedside table, it may feel a little stretched, especially if the socket you have plugged your charger into is a low wall socket or is at a distance. You are able to use other devices that offer Qi charging, so Apple devices from the iPhone 8 and up are also able to use this charger. Other devices outside of the Apple family will be compatible to use this form of ultra-fast charging. Something that I really like is that you are able to place the charger in any position, meaning you can hold the device comfortably when charging. Due to the magnets in the back of your phone, it will automatically snap to the pad. It is then easy to remove from your handset when it is fully charged. The charger works seamlessly with Apple's latest iPhone accessories. Here is the official clear case, though as you can see it isn't 100% transparent. On the back there is the MagSafe symbol to indicate that this case is MagSafe compatible. Despite this, you are clearly able to see that the phone that it is protecting is one within the iPhone 12 range. With having a clear case attached to your handset, you are able to flaunt your chosen colour of the device. Apple have once again impressed us with the wide variety of colours that these devices are available in, so it would be a shame for you to have to hide them in order to give your phone the necessary protection. Apple has created this cover with polycarbonate and flexible materials that are ensured to stay intact and not yellow over time, allowing you to get your money's worth out of this product. An anti-scratch coating has been enforced onto the outside and to the interior of the cover to help withhold the overall look of the cover even long after purchasing. Though I have noticed that fingerprints are extremely visible on the case, therefore I do find the need to wipe the case more often than not. This clear case is more expensive than previous iPhone clear cases. What makes this cover different from the earlier cases is the element of MagSafe charging. You are able to attach the charger to the case as you would to the phone. It snaps into position when placed near to provide your handset with fast charging. The same goes for the silicone case. MagSafe has been incorporated into the cover to make sure nothing obstructs your iPhone 12 series handset from this futuristic way of charging. However, the MagSafe element is more discreet in this cover than it is the clear cover. You will only be able to notice the MagSafe symbol from inside the case. As expected, the quality of the materials used to craft this cover feel and look exceptional. It is incredibly soft to touch, but also adds to the much appreciated grip of the case, allowing for you to have a secure hold of your phone when scrolling through its contents, as you certainly wouldn't want to drop a device as valuable as this one. Visually, the case looks classy and sophisticated whilst being worn by the iPhone 12 handset. The case I have here with me today is the dark navy option, which looks phenomenal. The silicone exterior contrasts pleasantly well with the soft cushioned interior, which has been crafted into the cover to provide furthermore protection to your device. The volume adjustment and lock buttons are covered by the case to make sure their brand new condition stays intact. You are still able to function these features with ease despite them not being exposed. I am also impressed with the raised bezel that is situated around the camera lenses and the screen of the phone. These have been enforced to ensure that nothing comes into contact with these areas when they are placed down, which is a must-have on a case, as these are the two most important features of the phone. I hope you've enjoyed today's video. If you would like to see more content regarding mobile accessories and tech reviews, please hit our subscribe button. Thank you for watching and enjoy the rest of your day.